3, 2, 1. We welcome back, guys, for a daily review. My dear brothers, this is a daily review. Okay, so today we have to finish the lecture 10, and yeah. So my own analysis. My own analysis has been done, and now the Alex lecture is ongoing. Pretty much, I should be finishing the Alex lecture. Look at this. Look at this loophole. As I schedule on a hourly basis that I should be finishing the Alex analysis lecture. I should be finishing my own analysis from 5 a.m. to 6 a.m., which I've done. But Alex lecture should get finished from 6 o'clock to 6:45, which haven't happened. Now I have got the reason why. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to type it as well, because if I speak, then shit's happening. कसं करायचंय मला नाही माहिती कसं टेम्पलेट कुठे किधर आहे इसका टेम्पलेट fucking shit, I don't know, brother. We just don't have time that much. Just type it. So we are not doing the daily review of today. We're doing the daily review of yesterday, and there was no task yesterday. I'm so sorry, brother. Of 7th of July is going to get reviewed tomorrow, because we need to have to finish a whole day. So yesterday I didn't assign a task, but it turns out like we finished one lecture, but it was not actually a tracking lecture. I mean, it is not included in this. So this is it. Just wanted to keep it ongoing. This is like crazy. This is fucking shit. Alright, boys. This is a daily review. Are we on the sticking to the goal? Oh shit, we need to read the goals, this is what I have learned from the what it is, Think and Grow Rich book. We're going to read this. Life plan updated. Holy shit. should I cut this updated? God, fuck it. We're going to read every single thing. Everything works on system. Either you build your own system or every single thing, or get hired to work on someone else's system, which I fucking hate. This is what it means, a job. I hate to do the job. I don't want to waste my time by speaking about this. The highlights, fuck, this is crazy. I just kidding. Worst highlights. First, when we are going to quit the job and become full-time trader on 23 August 2026, we'll quit the job and shift to full-time trading.
Incoming call, pick up the phone.
Oh. Hello? हा बोल ना. घरी आहे. नाही जुन्या घरी. हो जाऊन आलो. हो आलते ना. हो आलते. हो ते पण आलते. हो काय नाही, छान घर आहे. हो तेच तर. तू का नाही आली त्यांच्यासोबत? हॅलो,
It's 18:45.
तू का नाही आली त्यांच्यासोबत? हो का? बर. हा ना. हो ना. ठीक आहे, चालेल. Okay, bye. That was a sister call, the real sister, my own blood sister. So on 23 August 2026, we'll quit the job and shift to full-time trading. I also need to means how much days I need to Hey Google, from today to 23 August 2026, how much days are there? Answer in one line, please. Get down all nice. You're listening, right? Hey motherfucker, you listening? Holy shit, this is a fucking scam, huh?
Sure, I can help with this. First, please unlock your phone.
Aga. Ah. Tell me fast, yaar. I don't have time. Just tell me from today to 23 August 2026, how much days are there? Answer in one line, please. Get down.
There are exactly 47 days remaining between today and August 23rd, 2026.
Okay, and now tell me about 16th August.
There are exactly 40 days remaining between today and August 16th, 2026.
Dhanyavad. Dhanyavad also. Thank you. Alright. So 40 days, it's also get into copy paste over here. Because we need to be this much more specific that we just it feels dumb, you know. We fucking don't know. Alright, let's read. On 23 August 2026, within 47 days, we'll quit the job and shift to full-time trading again. It should be again. Yeah. When we are going to come back to the break-even on 16th August 2026, within 40 days, we'll come back to the break-even on a $100,000 account. And when we are going to New York on the first week of November, oh yeah, so we need to type the date as well. Hello Google. Hey Google. So from today to first week of November, how much days? 1 November, how much days are there? Answer in one line.
There are 117 days from today, July 7th, 2026, to November 1st, 2026.
117? That is so much, yeah. 117. I need to be hurry, man. Hurry, fucking hurry. We need to be fast. We need to be hurry fast as possible. 117 days only, and without money we just can't go. We need to make at least $10,000. When we are going to New York on first week of November 2026, within 117 days, we'll travel to New York, man, within 117 days. Shit. When we're going to start making $1,000 at least from 23 August 2026, within 47 days, we'll start making $1,000 at least. So this is the yearly schedule. This is it. This is the quarter 3 which is ongoing right now. Every single thing is fucking scheduled right here. We need to read the goal of this month. Having the trading software for analyze how the July month, this month output is going to be like. Having the trading software for analyzing and taking the trades for each type of market conditions. Finish 28 analysis lectures. Started backtesting from November 2025 till now 2026 using trading software, using my own trading software, which means backtesting from November 2025 will get finished. So pretty much this is how it's going to be. And then we'll be also starting flipping to $20 to $8,000 challenge, and at the end of the month we'll be growing a $540 into $1,620. So that means your $20 will be grown into $1,620. So it should be written $20 to $1,620. Awesome. Now we know every single thing. So where is actually lacking? So we should be. This video was like to review the yesterday's day. Yesterday's I is completely used for the reviewing and uploading all of the videos. Sorry for that. Also, I've done the lecture which was not into tracking thing. So today we have to finish. We just got late by just half an hour. Not late. We got behind just because of new thing comes up just to create the software for that particular model. It took time, and just the thing which I wanted to do at that particular time just haven't happened. That means from 6 to 6:45. Yeah, from 6 to 6:45 I should be working on seeing the lectures and then upgrading the things, rectifying my own analysis with my mentor analysis, and checking the things as is matching or not. So while I was doing that, I just remember, holy shit, this is not the model which my mentor used for that particular trade was not being tracked in my software, so I have to do that. So I just started doing that, and just fucking time up. It's become 6:45 and I need to get ready for bullshit motherfucking job that I fucking hate the most. And it just stop over there. So now it's 8:51. I have to shift. I have to go back to my trading thing. Signing off, brother. This is a daily review. We're going to read the plan, our goals, our yearly goals, our monthly goals, and weekly goals as well. So in this week, we forgot to read the weekly goals. So the weekly goals is 10 to 15 lecture will get finished on of a 28 analysis video will grow a $20 into $60. That is needs to be done. So 10 to 15 lecture will be get finished and will grow the $20 into $60. That is needs to be done. So this is what this week goal is. We're going to achieve it for sure, no matter what. I don't fucking care. If I die, I will die. Nah, there is only two options. I will either finish these goals or I will die. This is it. Signing off, brother. This is a daily review. It's coming to end. Peace. Let's connect tomorrow and let's do the daily review tomorrow. We need to do this completely every single day. Signing off. Peace. You all are going to get rich. I believe in you. That is what I can say. Peace.